Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the structural directives. Angular provides us built-in structural directives such as ngIf, ngFor, or ngSwitch and other are. Today we are going to discuss two of them, ngIf and ngFor. To use what is ngIf? Ngif just like a condition, like we are giving some condition and we are going to check it. If it's true, then the code will execute, otherwise not. Let's start with the ngIf first. Okay, first of all, in this first we need to enter one declare one variable, like any variable, like is value visible, we can say. We will declare this variable like a boolean. Okay, and we'll assign the value true initially. Okay, what does this mean? Means if the value of visible will be true, then the code of block will be executed, will show us the value, otherwise not. In the previous video we were just checking this one. Let me show you on the output. Like whenever we were entering any data, it was showing here. Okay, any data, like we are entering here the value and we were seeing this one result here. Now let's see what if we will use ngIf on this in input type. Then let's see what will the result we will get. Okay, first of all we declare the variable. To use the ngIf, like if we, let's say we want to use ngIf on this variable, if the value will be true, if the visible value will be true, then we will get the result, otherwise it will be not visible. Let's start how to use ngIf. First of all, we need to use star ngIf, like that. Okay, and here we need to pass the expression, like what was our variable name, is the value visible. Okay, if we want to use this directive, okay, then this one, first of all we need to import the common material. This will work with using the common module. Okay, then we need to import it here as well. Okay, now the error is gone. Now if I think we will check now in this video. Now it will show us the result. It should show us the result because our value is, we set our variable value, boolean value is true. So now it should show the result. Let's check over here. Here, let's check test value. Okay, this one is showing us the result now. Okay, let's now change the value from true to false. Now let's set the value to the false. Okay, now, okay, let's say test. Now this one is not showing the value because now the visible value, we set the variable value false here. Okay, in this way how the ngIf is work. We can use it in anywhere, like in the div. If we want to show any div, we want to hide that div, so that we can use this ngIf on that one. Okay, now let's discuss about the ngFor. ngFor is just like the loop we are using in the ngFor. Like in JavaScript we were using the for loop. ngFor is work like that only. Let's see with the example. Okay, to use the ngFor, let's use one array variable. Let's create a variable. Okay, Let's say we have a variable like the course variable. Course, how to declare an array variable. In this course, we will define the variable type is string. Then we will pass this one. This is a array site, right? Okay, then we will pass the value here. Like you can say BCA, any course, MCA, you can say BA, MA. Now we want to show this array in as a list. We want to show this array in as a list. Let's say we can say we will define this one array courses like that. Okay, so that we will get to know that we got the output. Here we are going to say, like everyone knows, UL is unordered list and li is the list items. This one we will use on the li because we want to see all the items in a list items. Okay, to use the ngFor, we are going to use star ngFor, and then we need to declare the variable. Okay, let what is the variable? Course will be the variable. First we will say let like any array value. We can say let value of course, that the variable array that we declare in the TS file. Okay, like this one course. Okay, value of course here. Okay, now we want to see the value, right? For that we will do, we will use the double curly braces and we will pass the value here, this one value. Okay, in this way we will get the UL. Let's see the result. If we got it, there you go. Now with the help of ngFor, we got all the courses in a list. Now in this way we use ngFor in an array loops. Okay, we can create a table with that also, like this. If you want to create a table, how to create a table? Like table. Okay, in that table there is a t head. Okay, then headings in that, like course will be our headings. Okay, then in the t body we will declare there will be a t body, in that there will be a tr. Okay, on the tr we want to see the ngFor, star ngFor. Okay, here we are going to say let, we can use value of course. Okay, the value we declare, and here we are going to pass the value course. Let's see if we got the result. There you go, like this one we got the table. Okay, so that one, in this way we can get the value, we can execute we can create the tables, we can create the list, we can create anything with the use of ngFor, with ngFor. Okay, thank you. That's all for this video. In the next video we will learn about the other directives as well.